First, type out your text using the Type tool. Once you have your text, right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now click on Add a Layer Style at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Color Overlay. Set the color to white and hit OK. Change the blending mode of this layer to Screen. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 0.6 and click OK. Now let's add more layers to enhance the neon glow. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Double-click on the Gaussian blur effect and set the radius to 3. Duplicate the layer again, and this time, set the Gaussian blur radius to 15. Keep duplicating the layer and adjust the blur settings. Set the next layers to 30, 70, 260, and finally, 280, 450 for a strong glow. To organize things, let's group these layers together. Click on the first text layer, hold Shift, and select the last one to highlight them all. Press Ctrl+G to group them, and set the group's blending mode to Screen. Now let's add some finishing touches. Select the last text layer. Then go to Adjustment Layer, Solid Color. Choose Black and click OK. Drag this layer to the bottom, underneath all the text layers. Next, go to Adjustment Layers again and select Gradient Map. Choose a gradient for the neon effect. You can use these color codes to create your own custom gradient. And that's it. You've just created an awesome neon text effect in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. See you in the next video.